As a small business owner or an entrepreneur, starting out can be a little bit tasking, and you need to put a lot of work into branding. Branding starts from simple things such as logo design, banner designs, social media post design, everything you can ever think of that you require or need when it comes to branding, graphics, promotion items, marketing materials. Everything can be done on Canva. Canva is the tool you need. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. To get started with Canva, click the link in the description, which will take you to Canva's homepage, and you can start designing. In this video, you will learn how to set up a Canva account, which is simple as ABC. Let us go straight into the video. Welcome to British Commerce and Tech, where we explore the latest trends, tools, resources, and strategies in business and technology. From e-commerce, branding, marketing, apps, AI, and other technological resources for entrepreneurs, we've got you covered. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos, tutorials, reviews, and insights. Now, let's dive in. Click the link in the description, which will take you to Canva's homepage. If you are doing this on a computer, you will see the sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. If you are doing this on mobile, the sign up button will not be located at the top right corner, but inside the menu here at the top left corner of the screen, click on these three lines and it will bring out the home menu. At the bottom, you will see the sign up button. When you click the sign up button, both on the desktop and on the mobile page, it goes to the same page, which simply shows you different ways of signing up with Canva. Use your email or another service to continue with Canva. It's free. You can continue with Google, you can continue with Facebook, or continue with your email address. In this video, we'll be showing you how to continue with Google, and we'll be showing you how to continue with email address. If you are continuing with Facebook, the process is almost the same with Google. When you sign in with your account, then it will tell you to fill in the basics and you'll be taken straight into Canva. Let us go ahead and click on continue with Google. When you click on continue with Google, this page will pop up and you'll be asked to select the Gmail account you want to continue with. If you have multiple Gmail accounts signed into that browser, you will see the account listed, but if you have just one single account, like in this scenario, click on the Google account and continue. After clicking on the Google account you want to log in with, then you will be redirected into Canva. That's as simple as ABC, you have a Canva account. Remember, the experience on the desktop page and the mobile page is the same. The only difference is the user interface and how it appears. Now that we know how to register a Canva account with your Gmail or Facebook account, let us proceed to registering Canva with your email address. To register Canva with your email address, just repeat the same process of clicking the sign up button at the top here. If you are doing this on your mobile phone, go back to the three lines, click on it, and you will see the sign up button at the bottom of the screen. You can click sign up for free here, or you can click the link at the top which says sign up. Once again, the same menu will pop up. Just the way it appears on the mobile, it is also appearing the same on the web. Now we want to continue with email. Simply click on this button that says continue with email, and a page will pop up telling you to continue with email. We check if you have an account and help create if you don't. So go ahead, put in your email address and click continue. When you put in your email address, it will then tell you to put in your name. After putting in your name, click on create account. A code will be sent to your email address, and Canva will require you to put in the code on this page. But before you put in the code, you may be required to verify if you are human. We need to do exactly what it says. Select all squares with traffic light. Then you select all the squares where traffic light appears. It might be different from this. Whatever it says, just follow the instruction, then click verify. All you need to do now is go into your email address, check for a mail from Canva, copy the code, and come back here to input it. After putting in the code, Canva will automatically load you back to the Canva homepage. To register a Canva account, remember to use the link in the description. And the last thing you'll be required to do now is tell Canva what you are planning to use Canva for, and this will help Canva tailor your experience and prioritize the best templates, resources, and elements for your specific needs. In this case, we'll be selecting small business. If you're not the only one on your team that will be designing with Canva or cross-checking the designs and all that, you can easily add team members to your account by inviting them. You can get invite link right here when you put in their name and their email address. and Canva will help you invite all your teammates automatically. But if you are not planning to do that, you can simply click on maybe later. Canva is absolutely free for everyone, but if you want to get the best out of Canva with over 100 million plus premium photos, videos and elements, over 3,000 premium fonts, 610,000 premium templates, you can try the Canva Pro for free right now, and that is one of the benefits of using the link in the description. When designing, you may need to use the same design across multiple platforms, which requires different sizing. With the free version of Canva, you need to do this manually, creating new projects based on the size and the dimensions. But if you use Canva Pro, you can easily use the magic resize tool, which will help you resize your graphics and design your videos to different sizes of your choice. You will have access to the background remover for videos and pictures, and you have access to premium animations. It doesn't stop. You can try Canva Pro free for the next 30 days, and you will not be charged for this free trial. You can cancel at any time. You will be reminded by Canva 7 days before your trial period ends in case you want to remove your card or cancel your subscription. After your 30 days trial period is over, then you start paying for Canva. So how much does Canva actually cost? Canva is free. Then you can upgrade to Canva Pro, which will cost you just 2,800 naira, and you can go to the Canva pricing page and you see the different features and benefits of upgrading to Canva Pro. If you want to give Canva Pro a try, simply click on the start free trial button right here on the screen. If you are on the mobile page, it is the same. Just click on start free trial. After clicking start free trial, then you'll be asked to select how you want to be billed, yearly or monthly. Select whichever you want. Click on next. This will take you to a page where you put in your name, your zip code and your card details, and that is it. You start using Canva Pro for free. If you are registering Canva from any other location, Canva will automatically bring up a pricing page that fits your currency. After creating and verifying your account on Canva, then you have access to all of Canva resources. When you upgrade to premium and you try premium for free, you even have access to more resources. And that is simply how to create a Canva account. After creating the account, you can continue using it on the web, you can continue using it on your mobile browser, or you can as well download the Canva app for Android or for iOS. To learn how to design logos, flyers, create brand identity, create content, video promotions, YouTube videos, and every form of design and element you can think of, we have a lot of videos and resources on this. Check the link in the description for some of the videos we know will be very helpful to you. Kindly join our community, the BuildBridge Cart, which is the BuildBridge Commerce and Tech community, where we teach everything commerce and technology for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video valuable. Don't forget to like, share and comment below with your thoughts and questions. If you are new, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest trends in business and technology. Stay productive and profitable. Until next time.